Today we would like to show you two price prediction software. Token Metrics and Lux Algo. We will compare them and show you what they can do. I use both of them when I want to decide if I should buy or sell. The more data you have, the better. If you consider taking your trading skills to the next level, these tools will be very helpful to you. We are going to use Bitcoin as an example. Let's find out what kind of price prediction we'll get. Let's start with Lux Algo. The problem with trading is that most people lose money doing it. I myself am not a good trader, but that was because I didn't have access to important data. What these tools allow you is to get signals whether you should buy or sell. That doesn't mean that they are right 100% of the time, but if you get 2 out of 3 trades right, you're making money. I have to say it's so much easier to trade when you have software that is helping you. After starting with paper trades, I'm using the software now to make real trades and got good results. That's really saying something because I've burned a lot of money in the past. The chart that I'm using now looks much different from what I was using before. Let me know in the comments how yours looks like when you make trades. Or if you have some advice, please share it with us. Let me show you what the chart and signals look like when you use Lux Algo. I highly recommend joining their Discord group. You will learn a lot when you share your knowledge with other traders. I have picked up great advice just browsing through the group. So check that out the next chance you get. In order to use Lux Algo, you have to set up a TradingView account. It takes only a few minutes to sign up, so don't worry about that. If you open your Bitcoin chart on TradingView, it looks something like this. What you want to do is hit Indicators and Strategies. From there you pick Invite Only Scripts. Then select Lux Algo Premium, and that's it. Yes, this is a paid tool, and we will take a look at the price later in this video. But now I would like to show you how the basics work. You have so many options with this tool. I'll try to keep it simple and show how I set up my indicators. And therefore you need to understand what indicators you have and what they mean. The first signal we got is the confirmation signal. This one is best to be used during trending market conditions. When it says strong, this signal indicates a higher likelihood the buy or sell signal is going with the trend. The other signal we got is the contrarian signal. This one is best to be used during ranging market conditions. It will help you find times when it's right to go against the trend, and will help you take advantage of sideways market conditions. The contrarian signal is the one I personally use, because it helps me to find a bottom. I'm not a day trader, that's why I prefer this signal. So let's zoom in a little and set it up. First we need to identify what kind of market we are trading. Our chart says that the state is ranging. Remember, that is perfect when we want to use the contrarian indicator. We head over to settings and change it from confirmation to contrarian mode. What I like to do is to increase the sensitivity on the chart. That helps me to catch more tops and bottoms. The default settings are 12 for sensitivity and 26 for agility. You can play around with these numbers and customize them to your liking. We get a lot of buying signals now, and it seems that the market will bottom somewhere in the low 40,000 range. There are a lot of training videos on their website where you can go even deeper. I will summarize the most important takeaways from the settings right now. Let's start with the confirmation signals. Sensitivity will help you get fewer countertrend signals and longer-term price movements. This you want to use during trending markets. And agility on the confirmation signals will help to remove signals during ranging markets. It makes sense to use this when the market is ranging. For the contrarian signals mode, sensitivity will help you to catch more significant tops and bottoms, while agility will help you to avoid frequent signals happening against the trend. As I said before, try different settings and see what suits you best. Another indicator that I really like to use is the reversal zone. This makes it very easy to see if the market is overbought or oversold. Good trading advice is to buy at support levels and sell at resistant levels. Now the chart is showing that we are getting closer to support levels, but I think the price will drop a little bit further. What I am going to do is buying when we get closer to $40,000. There is much more you can do with Lux Algo. Especially when you get more familiar with the tool. I've only shown you the tip of the iceberg. In the Discord group, you can chat with other people and share your success stories. It's really nice to see that they are making profits, and if you got some questions you can ask them here. You will learn a lot simply by talking to other successful traders. What's also great is to set up an alert for Bitcoin and altcoins. Then you will get all the buy and sell signals, and you don't have to scan every market by yourself. That makes it super fast if you're looking to make some trades. But don't blindly trade of this signal. Always make your own analysis. Let's see in what price range Lux Algo is. They offer 3 different subscription plans. You can choose between monthly, quarterly, and yearly. In my opinion, the quarterly plan has the best value. You get a nice discount and the commitment isn't as big in case you don't like it. If you use the discount code ANY20, you will get another 20% off your first purchase. That brings down the quarterly plan to almost $100, which I think is a fair price. Let's compare that to Token Metrics. What kind of tool it is, what you can do with it, and how much it costs. It's easier to use than Lux Algo, that I can tell you already. Token Metrics reviews cryptocurrencies and collects a lot of data. They give you price predictions by using artificial intelligence. That makes it easier to find profitable investments and filter out scams. If we use their database, we can choose from almost every crypto in the top 100. You can simply use the search bar to get more information on your target cryptocurrency. If you have a project in the top 100 you want to get a price prediction on, Token Metrics is a good place to start. You can also gather information very fast. This is great when it's a new project and you want to make sure it's legit. But we are going to focus on Bitcoin only in this video. This is what the price prediction for Bitcoin looks like. The red line represents the actual price, and the blue line shows the predicted price. Token Metrics' price prediction for Bitcoin is actually bearish. They predict that Bitcoin will fall under 40K. But if we take a look at the history, Bitcoin always stayed over its predicted price. Nevertheless, the trend is bearish. If we combine this information with the buy signals from Lux Algo, I would be happy to purchase Bitcoin between 40 and 45,000. With Token Metrics, you have a lot of data in one place. From fundamentals to technical analysis. Key information you will find on their website. With that being said, you can also check the accuracy of every price prediction over here. On average, it's close to 90%. That is a good number. If we take a look at the price, we can choose between monthly and yearly plans. The cheapest plan is $39 monthly or $29 if you take it for 1 year. Notice that you have fewer options depending on your subscription. I'm using the investor plan. For me, that's the one with the best value overall. And if you use our referral link you will get 10% off. So check that out if you are interested. You will find the link in the description. If you are not sure which one to get, let me summarize it quickly for you. It really depends on what you want to do. I think Lux Algo is best for day trading or swing trading. Token Metrics is better at finding an entry or exit point, in case you want to go long or short on the market. On one hand, Lux Algo is not as easy to use as Token Metrics. You have to educate yourself on trading, set up TradingView, and put more time into it. On the other hand, Token Metrics is a one-click solution which makes it super simple to use. Therefore you don't have as many options and filters as Lux Algo has. Price-wise they are around the same, but it depends on what plan you take. When you get it for 1 month the price will be around $50. Successful traders aren't necessarily smarter than you and me, but they have more information. Both Lux Algo and Token Metrics will help you to access more data and make smarter trades based on the information you've gained. That is why I like to use both of them. Yes, you spend money on the front end, but with 2 to 3 good trades, you will probably make that money back. Big thanks to you if you've stayed until now since this video was longer than usual. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. If you have any questions regarding Lux Algo or Token Metrics, let us know in the comments. See you next time.